So over here, you can see that I have a Claude opened up, and whatever I type right here, by default, what happens is that it gets saved out over here, and I will be able to go ahead and access out my past chats. But let's say I don't want that. I actually want to go ahead and then, let's say, for example, have a temporary chat so that I don't have it saved for privacy reasons. So in order to do that, when you go to new chat, over here on the top right hand side, you can see the incognito mode. Simply click on it, and then you can see a black bar on the top, which denotes that it's in incognito mode. So you can now go ahead and ask it things like, let's say, for example, what is the current price of gold? Let's say, for example, right here. And as you do that, what happens is that it'll go ahead and search out for the web, and then it'll go ahead and give me a particular figure right here, just like this. So this is what I have, but since this is in an incognito mode right here, once I go ahead and close it, I don't have access to that chat anymore. So I can secretly ask something and then make sure that it is not saved. So that is how you can go ahead and utilize incognito mode and then utilize temporary chat inside of Claude AI. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.